The Quaid-e-Azam House and Museum, located in Karachi, is a colonial yellow stone double-storied bungalow surrounded by gardens. The house was bought by the Quaid-e-Azam in 1943 for 115,000 rupees from a mayor of Karachi. It was meant to be a retirement home for the Quaid. Unfortunately, due to his death on the 11th of September in 1948, he never really had a chance to properly reside in it. His sister and a political companion, however, lived in it till 1964. The house, spreading across 10,241 square yards, was in ghostly ruins before it was restored. The Department of Archaeology and Museums took on the task in 1985 for an estimated cost of around 18 million rupees for its restoration. Designed by Moses Somek in the late 19th century, the house is spacious and simple, yet charming. Sloping roofs using red clay tiles and semicircular balconies are unusual architectural features. The interior paints a vivid picture of the Quaid's life. Though the authenticity of some of the furniture and carpets are questionable, most of the relics are bona fide. Intricately carved wooden antiques like a camphor wooden box and Art Deco chairs are aptly placed around the house. Sofa sets and cutlery have been preserved in their original form. As one walks through the study, bedrooms and drawing rooms, one can imagine the Quaid sitting on the sofas, sipping tea in hand-painted cups, or choosing shoes from his dressing room. The museum also consists of an annexe, outhouses and a library which is used by scholars and students. It is refreshing to see such an important piece of our cultural heritage frozen in time, a present-day immortalization of Quaid-e-Azam. Saiba Mohammed, Dawn News, Karachi.